Hi, this is a video on upgrading your laptop, and today we're going to be upgrading the RAM in this particular laptop. So I've got my RAM here and I've got the laptop, so I'm going to flip it over. I'd advise you to put a cloth or something down on your table so you don't scratch the table or the laptop in case there's minerals or little bits of rocks underneath. Not rocks, just general dust and muck. So underneath most laptops now, there'll be different compartments, all for different things: the hard drive, the CPU, the Wi-Fi networking card, all sorts of stuff. But some older laptops, or laptops with a unibody design, I know some HP ones that have, you will have to take the whole laptop apart just to get to the RAM, which may be a problem. So I have a video on disassembling a laptop. It was my first video on this channel, so go all the way down the list and head over to there. So I know exactly where the RAM is on this computer, so you'll just have to try out a few. The rectangular ones are normally the hard drive, and the smaller ones are normally for the RAM. So I'm just going to unscrew it, like so. Then I've got that to protect there and keep the RAM in place. If we go a bit closer, so you can see, I already have one chip of RAM, but I have an option to have another chip in this particular laptop. Some only allow you to have one. So I have my RAM here. I'm going to match it up with the plastic. I'm going to place it in like that. I haven't pushed it down yet. It should just balance. And then I'm going to push it down lightly. It should click into place with the two things either side. So this has been a quick, short video on how to install RAM in your laptop. Thanks for watching. If you like my content, check out my other videos and comment, rate and subscribe. For daily updates, head over to my website, roundedtech.co.nr, and follow me on Twitter. So I will see you in the next video.